How does the INGEPAC DAPT web server work? Using the web server application of the INGEPAC DAPT relay is a great way to control and monitor a bay feeder remotely from any device connected to the internet. Enter the relay IP address in the URL address bar of the web browser. No additional software is required. Authentication is required to access the web. Log onto the device using user and password. There are different permissions, depending on the user level assigned. Once connected, you can see the home page of the relay, where you can access the different sections. In the General section, you will access to the SLD. It is completely configurable by the user and will allow you to monitor the information you need, depending on the application. You can act over the bay's active elements, open-close, local remote, etc. In the Reports section, the user can see the real-time signals that the device provides, general signals, inputs and outputs, protection signals, checks, automatisms, etc. In the Settings tab, you can access the protection settings of the different functions of the device, and you can change the program values for each of the units. The active table is indicated at every moment. In the left column, you can see the settings currently on the device. In the right one, the user can enter the new values and send them to the device. In the Maintenance section, you can change the date and time of the INGEPAC DAPT relay. You can access the Ethernet communications configuration and, for example, change the IP address of the ports of the device. Detailed information of the network connections of each port can be accessed. Also, a protocol sniffer is available. From Software Configuration, you can upload or download the device configuration file of the device, CID. This CID includes all the settings of the device, the version of firmware currently on the relay, a register of firmware updates, and the ability to update the firmware of the relay. Finally, the IEC 61850 configuration can be monitored, including goose messages. To close the session, a system logout is performed, and the web returns to the authentication screen.